Hello, if you want to open the floating window mode for any application, click on the background apps. So this is the button for the three buttons navigation, and for the gestures you will have to swipe and hold. And now when you are here, click on the icon of application and select open in pop-up view. And as you can see right now, this application is in the pop-up view, and when you tap right here on this line, you can actually make it smaller, like the icon, so we can put it on the left side. Then you can make it bigger, and by tapping here you can set the transparency of this window if you want. And by clicking here you can actually move this into the split screen mode. So that's how it actually works, and by clicking here, as you can see, we'll actually reduce this line and we get this adjustment right here. So that's how it actually looks. If you want to make it full screen, just click here. Thanks for watching.